What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to open or close a split keyboard in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now click on Samsung keyboard settings and then scroll down and click on mode. Now go to the landscape view section and from here select split keyboard. So after selecting split keyboard, go back to your home screen and open an app in which you can use keyboard. Now first of all, open the simple keyboard and then rotate your screen to go to the landscape view section. Now first of all, turn on auto rotation and then rotate your mobile to open the split keyboard. So this is the split keyboard. Now if you want to turn off this split keyboard, then open settings again, scroll down and here again click on general management, then click on Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down and click on mode and from here select standard keyboard. So that's how you can open or close split keyboard in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.